Is Karthik your friend? You all were great together in the movie.
अभी हम कहीं देख लेंगे एक दूसरे को, तो हमने सब कुछ साइड रख के बैठ जाना है.
बैठ
Then
के
we'll
बातें
sit.
करनी है. Yeah.
We used to go to the gym together. So whenever he is coming there, then I see him. मैंने चल बाद में कर, आजा. पहले चाय ये कॉफी पीते हैं फिर अंदर जाएंगे.
You know, when you see people like Sanjay Dutt on a set, you did a film with him. What makes him the rock star that he is?
His aura, his style, the way he talks, the way he is. I remember that that was my OS shot, and he was standing giving me cues. मैंने बोला सर नहीं, कह रहा नहीं. मैं दूंगा.
आप जब से आए अपने अच्छे दोस्त बनाए इंडस्ट्री में.
इंडस्ट्री में हाँ बहुत दोस्त बने हैं, बट मिल नहीं पाते ज़्यादा. बट मेरे सबसे क्लोज तो लवरंजन सर ही हैं, बिकॉज दोस्त भी नहीं है. ही इज़ अ बिग ब्रदर एंड ही इज़ अ फैमिली.
Subjects are also lacking, to be honest, right now at least जो अभी फेस चल रहा है.
सब्जेक्ट हाँ.
Yeah. Chava is reaching 600 crore.
Chava, it only reminds me of Vicky.
Yeah.
Because his acting,
Tremendous acting.
and that's so superb.
Are you at all interested in direction?
Yeah, I would love to.
You would love to.
I would love to do that. But then my film would be little like a dark comedy. Hi guys, I'm Sunny Singh and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Sunny, welcome to our podcast on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much. I was looking forward for it.
I've been wanting to do this for so long. Finally, chalo. You know, it has to happen when it happens, right?
And all thanks to you.
Thank you. Sunny, I'm going to take you back because we really want to, you know, there's so much we know about your movies, but there's still there's some curiosity on your past. When did you come here? How the things were. So I'm going to take you back when you were doing TV. Firstly, to get into that, how tough was that? Easily ho gaya ki?
When I was I think 7-8 years old now.
हाँ.
So I started going on the sets, but not that much.
हाँ.
Because my father, as an
an
action
action
director,
director,
then he was a fighter before.
Yeah.
And all fighters' kids, you know,
Kids
even Vicky, Sham
Ajay,
sir's son, Vicky और Vicky and Sunny. तो हमें पता था कि हम सारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे सब मिला करते थे. And everybody, you know, have that कि we want to become a hero. And I was like very clear at that time. Because I used to see heroes on the set, like Ajay sir on the set, mostly him only.
Yeah.
And I used to go back to the school.
Your dad was also working with Ajay sir.
Yeah, he
right?
did all the films, mostly as an action director. Before that, he was with Viruji.
जी.
And तो वही going to the school, जो मैंने stunts देखे वही स्कूल में जाके करने. And then taking part in the dancing competition, and I used to always get second or the third position.
Wow.
First कभी मिला नहीं. Then my dad was like, if you want to become, it's going to be on your own. Because even if we will try, we can just tell someone कि भाई
introduce.
आप देख लो, you can just meet, you know, and after that you're acting. So you don't know, it's very tough here. It's not what you see. I said, yeah, cool, let me just get into it. So I started giving auditions.
Okay. This was how old were
Auditions,
you?
I
Like-
was, I think around 17 and 18, between 17 and 18. So I was doing modeling. Then one of my friend told me कि एक audition है, it's for a show. I said, okay. So I was like, my main focus was films.
Films, yeah.
And then I never thought about shows. Then I was like, it's a matter of a month. So it doesn't matter. Like it's an experience for a camera, you know, everything technically.
Set पे होना.
तो मैंने बोला ठीक है करते हैं और कुछ एक महीने में इतने पैसे आ जाएंगे टाइप्स. तो then I did 2-3 shows.
Wow.
Then I didn't. Then I was like, I want to go to theater, and I always see movies, and I'm more inclined towards that. So why should not be here? Then you know वहाँ पे क्या होता है? It's good, but it's at that time it was like more than 24 hours used to work. Like sometimes it's 30 hours in stretch or something like that. But for me, theater was very important. I did theater, then I did modeling at the same time. Then eventually meeting directors and everybody. Then I met Love Sir.
Ah. TV got you good money and experience.
Money, you can't say because I was not there for a longer period. I was just there for a few months. That's it.
Oh, few months only.
Few months.
But it gave you that popularity. You know people started
Yeah, that
walking up to you.
particular show I remember was Balaji show only.
Yeah.
So that gave me that popularity that time. और तब पता नहीं लगता था.
हाँ.
तब कोई भी आ रहा है just बात करना चाह रहा है तो I was like क्यों करने चाह रहे हो? I was very innocent at that time. Then 3 months, then done.
Wow. But TV, a lot of people who have done TV and moved on to other mediums, movies and all, don't really speak highly about the way they work, these 24 hours, is that. Are you glad you did it for a shorter period?
Yeah. Like I'm. It's just that with your destiny also.
Correct.
See, if at that time I would have got a very big show which has which is more youthful, this, that, so you like it. You'll definitely do it. Then it's your acting and I think networking at the same time in the right way. You can say where आप किस टाइम पे किस वक्त राइट टाइम पे राइट जगह होते हो
जी
वो बहुत important है.
बिल्कुल, yeah, that's so important.
Yeah.
As a tribute to him, we should speak about him today, Manoj Kumar ji.
I just got to know.
Yeah, he passed
Really
away.
sad, yeah.
Extremely sad. But what I want to ask you is, your father actually worked with him on Kranti, right? They worked on Kranti. What was your father? Your father was.
My father was a fighter and the assistant to Viru Devgan ji.
Okay.
And he has done so many films. My father must have done more than 300 films.
Wow.
But he always talked about Manoj sir since I was a kid. And he, till date, he was like, there are many stars. He was the one who used to sit with all of us and eat. Even I remember my father telling me, my father bought a house and I was born. And like after that, I was just 1 year old. And एक घर पे ना एक पार्ट रखते हैं सब, जैसे घर पे. तो Manoj sir was there.
अरे वाह, nice. Yeah.
So he used to go to every person he has worked with, he used to help them, he used to be there for them. I think that bond, old school bond was always there. And we learned so much from them. I think वो शूट की बातें, क्रांति की बातें कि हमारे इतनी नाइट्स होती थी, इतनी शिफ्ट्स होती थी, हम सोते नहीं थे. और and that film which I remember, they had shot many days. Not 30, not 60, many days, I think.
Okay.
I think they all have that memory. It's very special for them.
Wow. Imagine there's something about people from those times. They were the firstly doing what they. Someone who did so many films for India, unka naam Bharat Kumar pad gaya. He got known for
yes,
the kind of cinema. What is there to, since your father always spoke so highly about these people, what is there for you and your fraternity and your generation to learn from them? क्या सीखोगे आप?
That's a very good question, actually. What they have to learn is the therav. I think right now,
slow, yeah.
I believe that social media is good, but social media takes negative toll also.
Yeah.
It's affecting the youth's mental health at the same time. Because you look at your picture, look someone else's picture, if someone is better, you keep thinking that. This is what I've seen in kids. I think at that time it was like you're like a horse. Just focus on your goal,
movie, yes.
your things, your hard work. And मुझे ये लगता है कि एज एन एक्टर हम जब शुरुआत में पैसे कमा रहे थे, हमें जितने भी मिलते हमें लगता था यार ये बहुत है एंड आई हैव अचीव्ड समथिंग. इट्स लाइक अ गोल्ड मेडल फॉर अस. आज the people I see, the youth I see, whatever they earn, they don't feel good about it.
जितना मिले कम.
They think only about competition and this and that. Healthy competition is about your craft. You see acting, you watch people, some of them, मतलब जो भी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, कोई और कंपटीटर है आपके, आप उनको देख रहे हो, कुछ सीख रहे हो, या उससे बोल रहे हो कि यार that's it, is doing good.
Right.
I'll also do good. But it's right now. It's all about this negativity, social media. ये पता नहीं कब सही होगा.
That's बिल्कुल. There's something to learn there. But I do see something common between say you and Vicky. Y'all are grounded. Y'all are humble. Everybody says this. I'm not the only one saying this. Is this because of your background of your fathers behind the camera?
It is because of that. Because we remember they going on the set, and then my father, once I told him and कि पापा गाड़ी ले लो. कुछ 18 साल पहले की बात है. थी गाड़ी, मैंने बोला एक ऐसी गाड़ी. तो कहते क्यों लूँगा मैं I have my two-wheeler. I'm very happy. I'll go on the set. I have to work. I'll work 100%. I come home. And he used to get awards. He got award in Zameen, Gangajal, Singham, Shivai. I don't know what films. He never went.
Never got a car.
Never went. I was shy. Like, I love my work. I go and I come back.
Wow.
And that's it. The simplicity in him is amazing. That's the reason. Like Sunil Dutt sir, Dad, they all used to be together as friends. Like there was some connection and bond with them.
Wow. There's class apart there.
Yeah. Now Sanju sir, when he talks to me, he's like a family friend who's there,
Right.
and he always keeps a check.
Right.
So this is what I've learned from old school.
Yeah.
Even Akshay sir, Saif sir, even if I text them, so they send a reply, and that's the sweet message they send.
Yeah.
I think this is what, especially youth.
You know, this is a circle you see, like, you know, Sunil Dutt ji worked with your father, Viru Devgan ji worked with your father, and then you know Ajay, Vicky, Sanju, and you all are now working together. Must be some unseen bond that you all have already. Right?
Vicky and me, whenever we meet as if like हम हमेशा ही मिलते हैं. The Sunny also, Sunny is very sweet.
Yeah.
तो we are always there कि हमें कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. जब हम मिलते हैं तो ऐसे मिलते हैं कि just we're gonna talk a lot. सब पहली चीज हम जो पूछते हैं एक दूसरे को यही पूछते हैं, how's uncle doing?
That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, and Sham uncle and me also have a great bond.
Yeah. They all have
So if we have fun, we chill, talk.
Wow. You know, so when your films release, do you want some acknowledge from them also? They are your family in the industry. Do you get?
I remember Panchnama had come
Ji.
and Sonu Ke T2 was there. And my mom at that time was talking to Vicky's mom.
They're also friends. Yeah.
Yeah, so mom passed away 2 years ago.
Sorry. Yeah. So they
But,
were in touch.
Yeah, since we were kids, auntie and mom were in touch at that time.
Okay. So you all were clearly family friends.
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
going
So
to each other's house.
when my film came, like in 2015, I think Panchnama was there. Then Vicky's mom and my mom started talking, and they were praising. Ki we saw Baji, you know, what a film. We love the acting and stuff. तो ऐसे तो होता रहता है.
Wow. Wow, what a good thing. You know, the great thing is that your mom saw your fame. She saw the love that you got. That must have been a very big deal for her.
It was like for mom, she wanted to watch Wild Wild Punjab.
Yeah, which you
Yeah, because I should tell her that I did this today. You know, my shooting was tough because of weather, this, that. But we achieved, we did this. So she was in hospital at that time.
Okay, that must have been.
And for her also, Wild Wild Punjab, my film was very special because she always wanted कि कब शुरू हो रही है, कब कर रहे हो shoot. So there are moments like that, and that was special.
Yeah, I can totally imagine. But wherever she is, she's extremely
Yeah,
proud
yeah,
of
she
you.
is
We all know
happy.
that. Right. You know, what did Sonu Ke T2 and Panchnama give you as an actor? Did it give you that boost that an actor needs when they join the industry, that now you're a name everywhere? Everybody knows you.
Sir, Panchnama and Sonu Ki T2, they gave me somewhere a benchmark as an actor. कि हर एक एक्टर को एक चाहिए होता है कि मेरी एक्टिंग दिखे. तो वो दिखी है.
देखिए.
And whenever I go, so they talk about the acting part. I love your acting. I said that's what you need as an actor. कि आप उस चीज़ को हर एक audience मेरे पास आए या कोई people will come to me and they will congratulate me or tell me that your film, I love your acting in that film and that film and that film. That is what you need.
Right. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी फिल्म के लिए आपको, when people see you at airports and everywhere?
I think 3 films: Panchnama, Ujda Chaman, and Sonu Ki T2.
Yeah, nice.
Ujda Chaman because the character was different.
Okay, right. You wish Wild Wild Punjab was watched by more people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Netflix people do.
Yeah, on
And they watch a lot. So I have got so many DMs because that was all about my range as an actor.
Right. Nice.
So though बहुत difficult था
Yeah,
मेरे लिए.
what funny था, like it is amazing.
Like
I've seen it, yeah.
that Aurora was a womanizer. So बहुत tough था.
Yeah. If I just ask you personally, what have there's so many more aspects to your profession. You have to be good in your PR. You have to be good on your Instagram and all that. What are you good at? What are you not good at?
I'm not good at PR, इतना, but my PR is very good at it.
Yeah, but
But I'm not good at social media posting.
हाँ
मतलब अंदर से वो फील नहीं आता कि मैं क्या ही करूँ.
हाँ
मतलब जब मन करता है तब डाल दूंगा ना.
हाँ
दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. बट फिर वो रहता है एक प्रेशर जो कि सही भी है कि यू नीड टू बी देयर, यू नीड टू बी देयर. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. 2025 is about.
yeah
12 years back there was nothing like that. But right now what it is there.
and
You have to
wherever
do it.
people are seeing you, you put your trailer there, उधर ही देखेंगे.
But it's very tiring mentally. You have to post, then you have to post. You have to do this, you have to.
Yeah.
So that is a different world for us.
Yeah, but you don't post and you don't. Are you scrolling? Are you watching other things or
I
not?
have to. I was watching a funny small kid talking about something and it was cute. Then you go back and watch it again.
Yeah,
Then you send it to your family, friends,
Yeah.
and everybody. That's what I love.
Right,
But then कुछ अजीब सी चीज़ें भी आ जाती हैं. Then we have to avoid.
right. Are these distractions from your main job?
Yeah, it is. It is. But as in हमने तो देखा है सब कुछ और even if for you we know ना we are at work, we're not going to touch our phone until there is a important call or message.
Correct. Yeah.
But it's very difficult for the new generation.
Yeah. They don't know it without. Yeah.
Because when you see outside, everybody is in phone.
Yeah.
In the rickshaws, in
In
cars.
the restaurant, everywhere.
Even us, but it depends how much you are.
How much you are. That's true. So if there's one thing you could change, say in your industry, what were on a set? People पहले generation के actors से मैं बात करता हूँ. मुझे अलग answer
I
दो.
have to tell you, I love your questions.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy someone is like, similar like me.
Yeah,
You
asking
talk
these.
little, like, really. Nice.
Thank you. I was interviewing Bobby Deol just 3 days ago in his house, and he's there very much like you and very Punjabi, very relaxed, very dildar. He's also saying, यार, so I asked him, Bobby, पहले set पे क्या होता था जो अभी नहीं होता है? He's saying, यार, सब phone पे हैं. He's saying, यही एक मुझे लगता है कि
मुझे जो चेंज करने वाली बात है वो एक ही है.
हाँ.
Sir, it's only one thing कि when we go on the set, the importance the actor get, the food what actor gets,
Yeah.
the quality what actor gets should be for everyone.
Everyone, yeah, बिल्कुल.
The respect we have for our people, our
Team.
friend, our team, who's my head or a technician, whoever, it should be same.
Same, yeah, बिल्कुल.
It should be like, you're spending money on a film. It's just not the hero and the heroine. It's about everyone.
Yeah, that's one
You have
thing.
to feel like be together. That is not together.
Yeah, that's true.
I
That
think वो चीज़-
differentiates immediately.
जी.
Yeah.
And पता नहीं, और even the action department for me is very special.
Yeah.
As in वहाँ पे people risk their life, they break their bones, and I know how much it matters. I remember when I was a kid and Papa doing action, and कभी यहाँ लग गया है, कभी यहाँ this is tear. Like he went to the doctor, he's like, just do it fast because I have my shoot tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Wow.
So I think there should be an award section for everybody.
Yeah.
And the way we are there in the media, we are there doing our PR. There should be an organic PR
Yeah, that's true.
for
There should-
everyone. Like हम अगर famous होते तो सभी हो सकते हैं. It's our industry.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
This should be there.
They should be there. And especially with social media, that's easy also. No? Like,
Social media. By social media, it's going to be much more easy.
Much more easy,
Like interviews, everything.
yeah. आप जब से आए अपने अच्छे दोस्त बनाए इंडस्ट्री में.
इंडस्ट्री में हाँ बहुत दोस्त बने हैं, बट मिल नहीं पाते ज़्यादा. बट मेरे सबसे क्लोज तो लवरंजन सर ही हैं, बिकॉज दोस्त भी नहीं है. ही इज़ अ बिग ब्रदर एंड ही इज़ अ फैमिली.
मिल नहीं पाते क्योंकि लेजी हैं सब कि काम बहुत है.
सर, आई हैव टेल यू अबाउट लव सर.
हाँ.
Even if he's gone for some meeting, if he's not here, he's traveling, he picks my call every time in the night. हाँ मेरे को बता कुछ urgent था, ये था वो था. He has time for me for an hour. He'll tell me जल्दी आ जा, मेरे पास है, मैं साथ बैठा हूँ इनके, मैं इसके बाद फ्री हो जाऊँगा, बैठते हैं. This is commendable.
Wow, that is
the respect I have from him is different. And then I have friends who are actors. There is yeah, many friends like Nusrat.
Yeah,
They all are
yeah.
there. हम लोग मिलते हैं. We have fun party. There's Uma. There's Patra. Then Raj.
Yeah,
Then everybody is there.
Right.
So wherever we meet, we have fun.
Nice. Is Karthik your friend? You all were great together in the movie.
Karthik is again the same thing. अभी हम कहीं देख लेंगे एक दूसरे को, तो हमने सब कुछ साइड रख के बैठ जाना है.
बैठ
Then
के
we'll
बातें
sit.
करनी है. Yeah.
We used to go to the gym together.
Okay.
Like 3-4 years we had gone that gym. Last year ही मैंने छोड़ा है. तो whenever he is coming there, then I see him. मैंने चल बाद में कर, आजा. पहले चाय ये कॉफी पीते हैं फिर अंदर जाएंगे. So that bond has always been there. But we can't, every time keep a check on each other.
Of course.
Ki where are you? What's happening? Because everybody is busy.
Busy, right. When you see people like Sanjay Dutt on a set, you did a film with him. What makes him the rock star that he is? वो कहाँ बैठे हुए थे? All eyes are on Sanjay Dutt.
His aura, his style, the way he talks, the way he is. As in, I tell you, he's so sweet. I have sent him a voice note.
अच्छा.
कि सर ये चीज़ें हैं, ऐसे कुछ बोलना था मुझे नॉर्मली, तो सर ने उसी वक्त भी उन्होंने भी वॉइस नोट भेज दिया. तो ही इज़ ऑलवेज देयर अवेलेबल फॉर मी. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड like a legend, was so busy in life. And plus on shooting, I remember that that was my OA shot, and he was standing giving me cues, and he was there standing giving me cues.
Wow,
and at that time मैंने बोला सर नहीं, कह रहा नहीं, मैं दूंगा.
Oh, nice.
And he did that for me. And the bond me and Sanju sir has is more like, an elder brother who's taking care of a younger brother.
Correct,
It's always been that.
Yeah. So you've seen Sanju the movie. Like what a life it has been when you see this guy working with you and you're saying he's so humble and he's helping you and all that. It's a crazy life that he's led, right?
Yeah. But when you meet him, there's some aura.
Yeah, there's some aura.
Which you actually, starstruck at that time.
But what is it, Sunny, according to you, that वो जनरेशन में जो ऑरा था और उनके पहले जनरेशन से मनोज कुमार जी, धर्मेंद्र जी में जो ऑरा था, मिस्टर बच्चन में था, देन संजय दत्त में, दैट वी डोंट सी इन एक्टर्स टुडे. व्हाई इज दैट? इज इट बिकॉज मे बी इट्स टू अर्ली और इज इट बिकॉज बहुत सोशल मीडिया में देख लिया?
सर मुझे ना लगता है कि तब जब हीरो थे और ऑडियंस ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू फील लाइक दे आर द हीरोज. They have their own style, their aura. Right now, I think इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया जा रहा है हीरोज पे. As in, जो बड़े stars हैं who are there from 1980, they are obviously legends. The people who wants to become and they are there in the race, it also depends on the film.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, somewhere our films right now the content is there and not there at the same time.
Yeah, true.
Like,
right now it's going
again the same thing everybody's talking about. In South also there is content. The stars are being worshipped as God. I think यहाँ पे भी content हर चीज़ पे काम होगा. And the same way in 90s it was worshipped the same way. South जिस तरीके से आज वहाँ पे actors को worship किया जाता है, तो the same. I think that is what is lacking here.
That is what is lacking.
And also, if actors has to be a honest person and honest to themselves first. Like these all old school actors were actually like that, right? They're very real.
Yeah, they are very real. Yeah. Subjects are also lacking, to be honest. Right now, at least जो अभी phase चल रहा है, subjects are also lacking. You think?
Subject,
yeah.
It is. There is no different story as such. There is no. I think पिक्चरें बनती हैं पर कंटेंट पे इतना ध्यान नहीं चाहिए.
क्योंकि बिजनेस का पोटेंशियल तो है. छावा इज रीचिंग 600 crore. So लोगों को तो फिल्म नहीं देखनी है.
But छावा it only reminds me of Vicky. Because his acting,
tremendous acting,
and that's so superb. कई चीजें ऐसी होती हैं कि आपको कुछ लिखा हो but actor ऐसी acting कर लेता है and people love that. But like films, our films also after Sonu Ki Titu Ki Sweetie and other Panchanama, people had loved it. अब we are waiting कि ऐसा कुछ और या in a serious films genre or something else in thriller, there is something exciting, but whatever I see, I don't get it.
राइट यू नो कितनी ऑफर्स आती है और कितनी वो एक ऑफर आती है कि लाइक वाह ये अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है ये मैं कर रहा हूँ.
आती हैं सर, महीने में आ जाती हैं, काफ़ी आती हैं. बट it's just that ki the feeling and the vibe about the content, as in the romantic comedy, if I like it, I know I can feel, I can visualize ki okay fine, I'll play like that on the set and this is what it is, it will look like that, then I say yes.
Right. You know, when you say yes, of course, finally it's your decision. If you're confused, कि you know करना चाहिए ये next होनी चाहिए ये genre, who will you consult? Who will you ask? Who will you talk to in this industry?
First is Love Sir,
हाँ, loves. Oh, he's that close of.
and he always tell me what is your feeling, what is your feeling. I said, I tell him कि ये मुझे बस ऐसी लग रही है, ये मुझे ऐसी लग रही है कि एज एन एक्टर मुझे रेंज मिल जाएगी, मुझे मज़ा आएगा करते वक्त. तो कह रहे जिसमें मज़ा आएगा वही तो करना है.
हाँ.
हम इतना सोच ही नहीं सकते. पिक्चरें तो सर 100 गुना मेहनत कर लो आप, तब भी नहीं पता ये चलनी नहीं चलनी. बट एक्टर तो चलते ही हैं, पिक्चर चले ना चले.
राइट, बिल्कुल. यू नो जैसे आपका जब आप टीवी कर रहे थे एक आपकी सोच थी कि आई वांट टू बी अ बिग स्क्रीन एक्टर ओनली. अब OTT इज़ अ फुल न्यू ऑप्शन. एन एक्टर हैज़ एन ऑप्शन ऑफ गोइंग ऑल आउट ऑन OTT की जाओ वेब सीरीज़ करो एक के बाद एक एंड बिकम अ ग्रेट OTT फेस विच इज़ अ न्यू TV एवरीबडी सेज. Would you do that, or you still have that big screen पे तो आना ही चाहिए?
I had got many offers on OTT before also, but it's just that I'm just waiting कि ऐसा क्या करूँ मैं जो मुझे भी सही लगे.
Fair enough, yeah.
I'm just waiting for that कि आते हैं. अभी मीटिंग अभी 2-4 दिन में पहले भी थी. So it's just that कि I have something in mind कि I have like 1 or 2 scripts. So I might work on OTT.
Wow. Are you at all interested in direction? Would you like to direct someday? कि
Yeah, I would love to.
You would love to.
I would love to do that. But then my film would be little like a dark comedy.
Dark comedy. Right, you know, Sonu Sood recently, I did an interview with him before Fateh. So he told me very openly and clearly कि बस जो मुझे ये एक्शन करना है इंडस्ट्री ने मुझे दिया नहीं, अब मैं खुद बनाऊंगा. So that's a fair thing.
Yeah, it's a fair thing for him because he is like a macho man.
He's amazing,
and
yeah,
he's so good.
हाँ.
So everybody they will get that due. Like he knows everything. As in he's so wise and everything. You know, you learn from him a lot.
Would that be an option if you don't get what you want? You'll be like, I'll make it for myself.
I wanted to do romantic comedies, which I'm doing every
Which
year,
you're doing,
which
right.
I'm happy.
Yeah, which people
अब
like.
ये मुझे पता है कि उसमें से कई चलेंगी, एक आधी 2-3 नहीं चले या एक आधी तो चलेगी. वही होता है सबके साथ. So I think I'm happy where I am right now.
Right.
But just that I know the business, so I'm very happy accordingly.
Amazing. भूतनी आपने yes क्यों बोला? क्या रीजन था? संजय दत्त ये सब पता था कि कुछ और?
Because I wanted to do horror comedy, and I think जब discussion हुआ भी था, तो सिद्धांत was giving me narration, the director of the film. तो बहुत हंसा हूँ मैं उस वक्त. मैंने बोला पसंद तो बहुत आया है, पर how will you do it? What is happening? Who's there in the film? Then obviously Sanju sir is producing in the film and he'll be there. Then again I was very happy and I got to know Moni, Palak, everybody is there. It's like a debut for Palak, I think.
Yeah.
Or the guys like Asif and you know Nick is there in the film. Everybody has done a great job and I was excited because मेरे को ये पहली हॉरर कॉमेडी आई थी और मुझे उस वक्त पसंद भी आ गई. तो फिर मैंने बोला कि कर लेते हैं.
राइट. ट्रेलर मैंने देखा, बहुत अच्छे मोमेंट्स है, लेकिन मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ज़बरदस्ती ऐसा रखा गया है कि बाकी आप थिएटर में जाके समझ लो.
ट्रेलर जिसने एडिट करा है और वो ज़्यादा जानता है, बट हाँ कॉमेडी दिखनी चाहिए थी तो कॉमेडी दिखी है. थोड़ा सा रोमांस भी दिखा है
जी.
तो उनको भी ये लगा होगा ना सारी चीज़ें डाल दी हैं.
हाँ बराबर. यू नो आप बोल रहे थे नरेशन में भी आप हंस रहे थे. इज ही अ डायरेक्टर हु इज एनिमेटेड एंड विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू, और हाउ वर यू लाफिंग?
Yeah, he's like he'll get into it, he'll stand, then he'll show, he'll act.
अच्छा.
He does everything like that.
व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर? आपके घर पे एक स्क्रिप्ट भेज दो, वो आप पढ़ोगे अकेले कोने में बैठ के, या एक डायरेक्टर आके समझाए, नरेट करे?
I think if I know the director is so good in narrating, then definitely I'll hear the narration. Else I'll just ask कि मेरे को भेज दो, मैं पढ़ लूँगा.
आप पढ़ लोगे खुद? You prefer that also as much?
Yeah, because you know script when you are sitting in your room and isolated, you know what it is, and then you get deep into it. And I think that's the best time.
That is a good time, right? आप डॉट के साथ भी एक फिल्म कर रहे हो, Disciple. What is that? Like, because that again is a very different subject. She's an amazing talent, a great singer.
It's
वो क्या है?
about a scientist's journey based on all that.
Okay.
It has like thriller also in it.
Acha.
But I can't talk much
Correct.
about it.
But
But
what is
Dot
it?
has done a good job.
Right, she's amazing.
Yeah, she's done a very good job, and I was great meeting her. फिर मुझे पता भी लगा कि she has sung so many songs.
Yeah, she's a very big
And
singer.
she's beautiful on that.
Yeah.
And I had a great time working with her.
Yeah, यहाँ पे जब लोलापलूज़ा ये होता है, she has her own act. She
मुझे तो
performs.
पता भी नहीं है ना ये कि-
Yeah, बहुत बड़ी singer है.
वो ही मुझे बताती है.
And she's very sweet also, right?
She's adorable.
Yeah, she did Archie's, but after that she only went up. You know, so now Bhutni will come, then Disciple will come. Disciple is a theatrical, उतना तो पता नहीं कि.
ये तो अब वो डिसाइड
अच्छा, अब तक पता नहीं है.
अभी तो शूटिंग खत्म हुई है.
Okay.
Maybe within 4-5 months it should be there.
Okay. Okay. So far, when you sit and talk to your family, it's been a satisfying journey. What do they say?
For me, it is again want to work with directors who I actually admire, like Imtiaz sir,
Right.
and there are many other directors which you want to work. वो भूख तो हमेशा ही रहेगी.
Yeah.
But I'm happy कि I started in Akashvani. And I'm still doing my films, and people are giving me love, and I'm still doing romantic comedies, and I will keep doing that. I want to do action. मैं वो देख रहा हूँ कि एक action solo film कैसे crack हो.
Yes,
बातें तो चल रही हैं, अब देखो कौन सी वाली करें.
Wow.
I'm just looking forward for that.
Right. Is it tough? Like you want to do action, but is it true that इतनी ही films बन रही है और इतने ही लोग हैं उसमें से इतने ही action करते हैं तो उन्हीं के पास जाते
मैं
हैं.
शुरुआत में my father was like, we'll start with if I make you meet someone and they like you and everything and you give your look test, so that will be an action film. He was thinking that and I was also thinking that. मुझे कॉमेडी का पता ही नहीं था. और मैं कहीं मिला लव सर को ऑफिस में, और 2-3 राउंड होते हैं, जैसे 1-2 लुक टेस्ट के राउंड हुए कुछ है. फिर सर के साथ मेरी बातें हुई, थोड़ा बॉन्ड होता है और उनको एक ट्रस्ट भी आया कि रीडिंग वीडिंग सब करी हमने. वो तो सीरियस फिल्म थी, उसमें मेरा सीरियस रोल था आकाशवाणी में. देन आफ्टर दैट आई डिड पंचनामा व्हिच वाज कॉमेडी, देन वी वर्कड रियली हार्ड ऑन इट.
Right.
देन भी सारी कॉमेडी रोमांटिक कॉमेडीज आने लग गई और मेरी एक्शन रह गई.
Action रह गई है. You know, earlier.
But I did Adipurush.
Adipurush, yes. You know, earlier generation action actors, like say Sunil Shetty and Akshay Kumar, they would be a black belt. To give them credit, they had that discipline. They would be a black belt. Your generation, you Vicky, you all want to do action and you all are great in action also. But do you think that there's something to learn from them also? They gave it a lot.
I've told Akshay sir also.
जी.
Like when I met him, I remember कि we have all learned, we are learning from you. और बहुत कुछ सीखा भी आपकी पिक्चरों से. तो वो एक ना ऑडियंस की रिलेटेबिलिटी बहुत होती है नॉर्थ में. एंड हिज फिल्म्स लाइक खिलाड़ी 786 और खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी, दैट कॉमेडी मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी, दैट्स व्हाट आई लव. तो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू एक्शन कॉमेडी. तो ये है कि अब देखो, उस वक्त तो जब ये फिल्में आई थी तो सबको बहुत पसंद आई थी. Hi guys, I'm Sunny Singh and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.